Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many attempts on Telegram. So let's get into it. Number 1, wait for some time. If you get this too many login attempts or enter wrong code, then you need to wait for 20 minutes or more, or even 12 hours or 24 hours, as well as Telegram servers will block you to enter the code and will not send you code if you make too many Telegram account requests. So wait and be patient and get it solved from Telegram itself. Number 2, force stop and clear storage and cache of Telegram app. Here's how to do it. Open Settings on your Android device. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Scroll down and find Telegram app from the list of apps installed on your Android device. Tap on Force Stop and press OK to confirm. Tap on Storage and click on Clear Cache. If several days pass and you cannot log in, you should contact their technical support and fill in the form explaining what is happening. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.